Welcome to 407 Old South Circle in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. This 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhome is located just a few miles down the road from the beaches in Garden City Beach. This townhome was built in 1975 and purchased by the current owners about 2 years ago. During their ownership, they have completely renovated the townhome. The updated kitchen includes white shaker-style cabinets, granite countertops, and new stainless steel appliances. The ceiling fan in the kitchen was also raised during the renovation. Throughout the townhouse, flooring was updated with luxury vinyl, baseboards were replaced, the popcorn ceiling was removed, new light fixtures and ceiling fans were added, and the townhouse was painted. To increase the living area, the screened porch was enclosed and the backyard was extended and new pavers added. The backyard is fully fenced and private. The sliding glass door downstairs has also been replaced. Both bathrooms were completely renovated to include a walk-in shower in the primary bathroom and a shower tub combination in the guest bathroom. The low HOA fee at Jamestown Village includes an outdoor pool and a clubhouse with a weight room, pool table, kitchen, and community event room. At 407 Old South Circle, you are 1.4 miles to the Garden City Pier, near restaurants, golf, shopping, and entertainment. This townhome would be a perfect primary residence, investment property for long-term rentals only, or a personal vacation home. Thank you for visiting 407 Old South Circle in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina with me today. I hope you will schedule an appointment to see this renovated townhome in person. To schedule an appointment, call me at 843-267-2710.